Casey did it early. Is it for you?
You're so sweet.
Well, hey, you're my girlfriend now, so there is nothing I wouldn't do for you. Now give Papa some shit. Ladies.
It's girls' night out. But hey, you should come. If you like dancing.
Dancing? You ain't even seen dancing.
Well, you've seen Funky Ricky. Ricky, you're acting really weird.
What are you talking about?
Iya. Salah aja di semua kolak lo. Iya.